Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be doing something just a bit different. I'm trying my hand at pickling and we're going to be doing some pickled jalapenos. But before we jump into that, I really want to thank everyone for being part of Fat Boy Cooking. Your support means the world to me. Whether you're trying the recipes, leaving a comment, or just watching along with everyone else. But be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with all that being said, let's get our aprons and grab our ingredients and let's pickle some jalapenos. For our pickled jalapenos, you're going to need the following: some water, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, Cajun seasoning, and whole jalapenos. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to have to get our pickling brine together. So I've got me a little pot heating up over a medium-high heat. So to this we are going to add 2 cups of water, a cup of apple cider vinegar, oop, come on, my little spice jar is fighting me. So we are going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Come on. A tablespoon of salt. And then your favorite seasonal, and I'm just going to put in about 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. So we're going to let this heat up and come up to a boil, and then we're going to get our jalapenos ready to pour this over. So I have me a mandolin here because we really do want to keep our jalapenos the same thickness, and mine are relatively large. So what we're going to do is we are going to just slice them to roughly, I think this is about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. And then once we get these all chopped up, we're going to put them in a mason jar. So I've got my jalapenos all cut up, and so now we're just going to add them to our mason jar. And it looks like I'm going to have a little bit more than what I need, and we're going to just shake this up to make sure that they get settled in here. And we don't want to pack them in here because we do want the brine to get around the jalapeno slices. So we're going to stop right there, and then once our brine is fully ready, we're going to pour that over our jalapenos in our mason jar. So our pickling brine is ready. So what we're going to do is we are going to pour these over our jalapenos. And boom. And now we're just going to put our lid on our jar. And then we're going to let this sit for a couple hours. Okay guys, so these have been soaking for about 2.5 hours. So we're going to pop the top on this and we're going to see how these turned out. Okay. Smells like jalapenos. Ooh, got a good, ooh, got a hot, Oh yeah. These are gonna be really good the longer they soak. Mm. Being they're fresh, they got that real hard bite right now. You can feel it right here. So, but yeah, these are gonna be better the longer they soak. So, I hope everyone enjoyed this recipe and I hope you do give it a try. And like I said, it's got a good heat bite to it because it's so fresh. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you really do enjoy this video and give it a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to pick me out a few more jalapenos.